Part of the fun for December is to actually do activities that are related to the holidays. So today we are going to do a puffy paint snowman. Puffy paint is a mixture of shaving cream and white glue, and when it mixes together and it dries up puffy, making it a really fun experience and a really fun activity to play with. Puffy paint is something that I love to use all year around because I love the texture and I love that you can keep that activity preserved for a long time. If you don't want the activity to be preserved and still have that fluffy texture, you can do it just with shaving cream. You can do it in the shower or in windows, and it's a lot of fun to use. But if you want to preserve your activity like on the paper and you want the glue to stick, you need that glue so that when the shaving cream dries mixed with the glue, it can hold its puffiness. You can do practice shapes, you can do just cutting and gluing, you can use it just to play with your hands. So don't be limited yourself about just doing a snowman because that's the activity we're presenting. Use the recipe as one of your tools in your pocket that you can use all year around. All right, so if we're ready, let's get started and let's create our puffy snowman. To make puffy paint, you need equal parts shaving cream to white glue. Mix that well with a spoon. Your puffy paint will be ready when it has a stretchy texture. Now, using construction paper, you're going to create different shapes. I'm creating a hat with a square and a rectangle. I'm creating some circles for the buttons or the eyes using black construction paper. My snowman is also going to have scarves, so I'm creating a yellow scarf just by cutting the corners of a rectangle and squishing them around. I'm placing everything on a tray so that it's easy to grab and see what we have. Using a spoon or a paintbrush, transfer your puffy paint into the paper and allow them to just stamp around. There is no right or wrong way. At the end of the day, this is a melted snowman, which means they don't have to make perfect 3 circles to make a snowman. It is a melted snowman. Now we're going to be placing our shapes to create our snowman. It depends on the size of your paper. Your child can make just a face or a full-on body. And if you have sticks from outside, you can actually put the little arms too. They might need help with positioning the scarf because obviously it's a little bit harder for them to understand how a scarf goes. But once it's done, you can help them and you can hang it. Just leave it to dry for 24 hours.